Are you curious about what bankruptcy really does? Maybe you're considering bankruptcy but not really sure if it's the right choice for your situation. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about bankruptcy, what it's used for, its pros and cons, and hopefully demystify the process for you. Hi, I'm David Candler Hicks of Alliance Legal Group. We are a Florida law firm that focuses on helping clients facing bankruptcy. Many people express confusion about bankruptcy. Join me and let's take a look at it together. Bankruptcy is a somewhat complicated legal proceeding, though it's becoming very common in these difficult financial times. It's a way to potentially get a new financial start. There's several different types of bankruptcy, but the most commonly used for individuals are Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the debtor works with creditors to develop a 3- or 5-year repayment plan. The repayment plan extends some repayment periods, reduces monthly payments, and is designed to make it possible for the debtor to afford to pay off the debts. Some of the debt may be discharged as part of the proceedings as well. Individuals that are facing more crippling debt that they cannot pay off in a reasonable amount of time may take a more drastic measure and file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. This type of bankruptcy involves potentially giving some of the debtor's possessions to an individual called a trustee who is appointed by the court. The trustees use these assets to try to satisfy or pay off the debtor's obligations. The debt that remains after these assets have been sold is discharged or wiped out. Not all assets of the debtor are subject to being sold by the trustee, such as the home the debtor lives in, a vehicle valued under a certain amount, and certain sentimental items, clothes, etc. But anything that's not exempt could be fair game to be sold to satisfy debts. If the debtor financed an exempt item, like a home, the debt for that item is not simply wiped out, but may be restructured in a manner similar to a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Still, for many people, bankruptcy is the only way to get their financial life heading in the right direction. At Alliance Legal Group, we've helped many clients get their financial lives back on track. We'd be happy to discuss the circumstances of your situation with you to help you determine the appropriate course of action. I'm David Candler Hicks. Have a wonderful day.